Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to show you guys how to do a colorful makeup look. So I'm just going to keep this video short and straight to the point because I'm trying to make this video like a 5-minute video. What if I cut my hair this short? You think it'll look cute? I look drained. I haven't been doing makeup videos for a while because of these breakouts right here, because I just feel like the makeup has been making me break out, so I haven't been doing makeup looks. But I'm back. I'm gonna try to do a lot of makeup looks because I know I have to stay consistent. It's just I haven't been feeling great about myself because these pimples are really just making me feel like shit. For my brows, I'm gonna be using the Ultra Precise brow pencil, and this is in the shade Neutral Brown. For eye primer, I'm going to use the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer, and it's in the shade Light Ivory. So we're going to work with a wet base just so it can be easier to apply and stick on. So do not set your eyes. The palette we're going to be using for this look is the BH Cosmetics palette, and we're going to use this yellow shade right here on this thin kind of brush. It already has yellow on it because I was practicing this look last night. Just pack that on into the inner corner. The next shade we're using is this orange right here, and we're just taking that on a Wet n Wild brush, a brush like this. The next shade I'm going to be using is this red right here in the corner, and taking out another Wet n Wild brush. This is a different one. I just don't want to mix the colors together. And then just taking that in this little area right here and blending that. Then taking this pink shade right here, a Real Technique blending brush. It looks like this. Just changing up the brushes so the colors won't mix and then mess up the look. Taking that right here. Before we do the next color, I'm just going to take some tape. The last shade that we're going to be using is this purple shade right here. And we're taking that on a Morphe M441 brush. That's just going to be placed on the corner. For my lid, I'm going to use this white shade right here. Okay, so the last step to this eye is eyeliner, and I'm going to be using the e.l.f. eyeliner in Jet Black. And oh my god, pray for me guys because my eyeliner is shit. The mascara I'm using today is the Great Lash by Maybelline New York. Ooh. I was just reading an email and my shit. Okay, so I'm done applying my eyelashes. The next is moisturizing our face. I'm just gonna use the Cetaphil, moisturizing lotion. I'm also gonna apply this e.l.f. hydrating primer. Just take it on my finger and also put that down under my eye. Before we get started on foundation, I'm going to use my e.l.f. concealer and just put that down here so my eyes won't be so dark through the foundation. And this is in the shade Light, which is actually not really light. It's actually kind of dark. Look at this. That's so dark. Not light at all. But I'm going to cover up some of these pimples while we at it and red spots. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L60 CoverGirl concealer. And this is in the shade Light Nude. My ass really hurts. I'm sitting on a freaking paint jar. Concealer I'm using is the Maybelline New York concealer. It's in the shade 10 Fair. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Bronze Booster, and this is in the shade Medium to Dark. So it comes like this, and then when you flip it, it comes with a little brush. But I'm just going to use my brush that I have. These earrings are so big, they're kind of annoying. I'm gonna use this little thin brush right here from Sephora. It's like a thin, precise brush. We're gonna bring it in. We're gonna do purple first. What we did to the top is what we're gonna do to the bottom. Oh my god, you gotta be fucking kidding me. So that is the end of this video. If you guys enjoyed this makeup look and you guys want to recreate it, send me your recreations of this makeup look. Post it on your story, tag me, whatever, if you recreate this look. And I'll see you guys in my next video.